Hi guys, my name is Tatiana Ravchuk and this is a group project for CIS 110 Wiki resource site. So our team chose a topic as a social media, and on our homepage, this is our homepage, we have a logo that represents social media. That's what Alexander Krabs did for us as a member of our team, and I uploaded a picture of as a background of all the social media that we have. It's like a lot, so it didn't, like, all of them didn't fit in one picture, like so. And this project was done by Ayn Kynan, Alexander Krabs, Luke Hershey, and Tatiana Ravchuk, and Veronica Atkin. Also, back here, over here, we describe what is social media, and we have in-text citation because we got a quote from Kidsman. Also, down here, every person had a space, and in short version explain what is his or her social media. So, for example, I had my topic was Instagram. So I describe what is Instagram and how do we use it, and I upload a logo so you can see what it is and how it looks like. You can be familiar with. Also back here, we have a different page of the wiki. So for example, dating apps was done by Anne, and she was doing a good job. She was explaining what it is, how, like, different type of dating apps and pros and cons, why it's good and why it's not good. And also, second page was about Discord, and it was done by Alexander Krabs. He did a really good job. He was he did most of the job. He was a leader of our team, and he done a good job. He explained what is Discord. He uploaded a video explaining what it is and why do people use it. On other page, second page, he had a future and usage, how do you use it, and step by step. So I really like it. As you can see, he had a lot of information. Next one was Facebook, and it was done by Veronica. So she explained what is Facebook. I think we're all familiar what it is, but like over here you can see title, and she has a logo. Also, she did a good job because she uploaded in-text citation, and she has everything on. And she explained why social media, like she uploaded a video and explaining why social media is important to us up here, and it's like easy to read, and you can just click on it and it will transfer you to the page, and you can watch this video later. So I did Instagram, and I explained what is Instagram, and I had a logo also from their original website. Also, I found a really good video on Tech Boomers explaining what is Instagram, why people using this social media, and why we should use it. So it's like really good one. Also, I have a history about Instagram and how from 2010 till 2016 pictures and logo have changed. So I think it's a good point to see what it was look like and now what it look like. Also, I have a second page, and it's usage and features. So I have a stories, and I explain what Instagram have special that other social medias doesn't have. So up here, for example, IGTV, it stands for Instagram TV, and you can watch movies, what people upload, and videos, funny videos, vines, and so on. I have direct messages, filters, and that's it probably. Also Snapchat, it was done by Luke Hershey, and he did a pretty good job. He explained what it is, and he has a video explaining what is Snapchat and why people use it. Also on the other page, he has a usage and features and face-based messaging, the new camera, and he did a really good job explaining about this. And he stated that a new way to express yourself is like through Snapchat. On the last page, we have a reference in APA citation. It's what people used, and I really like it because like we stated like homepage and all APA citation what did what, and we have like Discord. We can see what he did and what he used for his research, and every person did it the same way, so I like it. It's easy to read and easy to navigate. I really enjoy this project because I didn't know what was Discord. I learned a lot, like basically everything, because I didn't know what was it. And I learned history, I learned why we use it, why people use it, and I really like it. Also, I didn't ever think about dating apps because I'm not using it, and it was interesting to see her point of view, why it's good and why it's bad, and I really like it. So it was something new to me. And also I never did APA citation. It was new to me because I never done it. Also I like this project because we did everything by ourselves, and everyone was responsible for their own part. And for example, up here, everyone could add his or her citation, and it wasn't like that one person has to do it for everyone. We did it by ourselves. Also, I like how we work as a team because we all did pretty good job and contribute a lot to this project and spend time actually helping each other. And for example, I didn't know how to upload a background picture to my Instagram page up here, and Alexander showed me how to do it. So now for my future I will be able to do it by myself. It was a good experience to create this page. Thank you so much.